And here she is, with all her lovely stickers on. All the transfers on. Very nice indeed.
Really good.
Very, very nice. Even Nathan thinks it's good, don't you, Nathan?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that then. Stonking. Oh yes. Look at that. Right, here we go for the boat test, motor test. We've got two 6-cell 4.3 amp 8.4 volt battery packs connected up, and we've got Nathan just there on the controller. He's ready to do a good job, ain't you, mate? So let's get ready then. We've got to set the easy setup switch up, which is just here, as you see. We'll put it on mode 1, which means we have to hold it in. It goes green, then red, then flashes once. There you go, set up mode 1 and back to green. Now, here we go then. Here we go. Push it then. Whoa, that was good, wasn't it? Now do reverse, now reverse, that way. Super duper. Right, thanks for watching our boat test video, and keep checking back because we'll have a test in the water soon with a boat, and probably do a little race with all 3 boats. See you later. Bye bye.